The Sneezy Witch. A witch lived in a yellow hut, and she hated noise. One day, 3 kids played outside laughing loudly. Her door burst open. Who is making all this noise? Suddenly, she sneezed. Magic sparks flew everywhere. She sneezed, the tree turned pink. She sneezed again, the cat got roller skates. Again she sneezed, kids' hair started glowing. The kids laughed even more. Stop laughing, the witch screamed. Her hat turned into a flying balloon. The kids helped her catch it. She smiled and said, "Fine, you can play here. Just bring tissues tomorrow." No, even little mistakes can lead to fun and friendship. Like, share and subscribe please.